Guys, it's Nick. I'm here in Kuala Lumpur on a Friday night. It's around 11:45. Let's see what kind of bars are around here, a few blocks from the Petronas Towers. Let's see what's going on tonight. So far we have the Hard Rock Cafe over here. This place seems to be always pretty busy, and they got live bands and stuff playing, I think, every night. So I'm not sure how late they stay open tonight, but I would think it's after 12. So you got some people with some big bikes over here. I was here, was it last night, I think, the night before. There's an Irish bar like a block or two from here that I was at. That was pretty busy. There's some other places around there too with views of the Petronas Towers all lit up and stuff, so it's a nice little area to check out. But even close to midnight, there's still a lot of traffic out here. That's the monorail. Stops at 12 o'clock, so that's probably the last one out. Nice B539 right here. Wow. Girls are looking like they're trying to find some place to have some drinks or something. I don't know the story with clubs out here. I don't know how many there are or whatever. I'm not really looking to go to one. I just want to kind of go to a bar and have a beer or something. You can see the sign for the Pavilion Mall from here. Like one or two stops on the tram this way. So this street was pretty lively the other night, and there's the Petronas Towers lit up in red. It was just blue a few minutes ago when I started this walk, so I guess it's going to be changing more colors. I think I want to walk to the Petronas Towers and just see what it's like at night. There are people out front taking pictures and stuff. There's a McDonald's here that's open 24 hours a day. Some food trucks. I don't know why. It seems a little quieter than when I was here yesterday. Maybe because I was here earlier, like 10 o'clock or something. Right, it's 11:45 right now. Gravy Baby. This place is also has the same place on Chiang Kat Street, and also Healy Max has a place. Hello. I ate here last night. It was good. Good burger, fries, onion rings, and a Guinness. So small Guinness at this Irish bar, which is just a few blocks from Petronas Towers over there. $6, which is like 25 ringgit. And I got a burger coming, and they gave me 2 ketchups, so they must know about me already. Burger and fries and a couple onion rings, 65 ringgit, which is about $15.50. Oh yeah, so both of those places, Gravy Baby and Healy Max, have bars on Chiang Kat Street, the famous bar street, a little more downtown. But yeah, I don't know. It feels kind of dead. I mean, I'm gonna walk to Petronas, see what's going on over there, and I think I'm probably gonna end up back at the Hard Rock Cafe, which looked pretty pumping, and have a beer over there and listen to the band for as long as they're playing. I'm not really sure how long, but right now it's gold. So I guess maybe it's like the turning the colors of the Malaysian flag. Some pretty big trees over here. Never noticed that before. Okay, well, tomorrow, Saturday night, is my last night before I go to Penang. So I think I'm going to go back to Changkat Street and see what's going on over there on a Saturday. So in the Petronas Towers is a really high-end mall. You can see Rolex, Chanel, Chopard, all this. It's really new looking, really nice looking. Even though this building is, it's not brand new. I think it's at least 30 years old, maybe more. But the mall looks pristine, so it looks like it's brand new. Real nice place. I got a food court downstairs. So here is the back side of the Petronas Towers. A lot of people take pictures back here. There's like a little fountain going on during the day. So these cars driving Honda Civics. So a lot of people out here still taking pictures. I don't have any night pictures of this place either, so I'm going to have to take a few myself. You see that all these people out here, midnight, the young kids and stuff like that, is very safe area around here. I think Malaysia in general, but you know, there's no worries like somebody's watching you or scheming on you or something like that. So this is the towers right here, and yeah, you're gonna have to take some selfies and then go get a drink. So guys, that's a little look at what's going on a Friday night in Kuala Lumpur, around close to the Petronas Towers. So if you're thinking of coming to Malaysia, definitely come. It's been a great trip so far. And come to Kuala Lumpur downtown, check out the Petronas Towers, the mall over here, the downtown, the Chinatown, India, Little India, brick fields and all that. There's a lot to see out here, but definitely put Malaysia on your list of places to visit. I hope you like this one, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.